All right, my fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Extreme sell-off mode, guys. That's exactly what we're in right now. The market's in extreme panic mode, which they should be, because as I mentioned in my previous videos, guys, the main catalyst here that will move markets is interest rates, guys. Interest rates are so powerful. They could create a lot of wealth, but they could also destroy wealth as well, right? All right, so stay tuned in this video. I'm going to go over what you can do right now, especially since the market is in sell-off mode. What I can tell you right now is prepare your cash, guys. Myself, like I said, I'm on that journey to create financial freedom as well. Hopefully I could do that for you guys as well. However, right now at work, I'm putting in as much overtime as I can, guys. And what's happening with that, I'm putting in 3 or 4 extra days. All that money is going into investments right now. So that basically on some positions, I'm going to be sharing with you guys here later on in the video. I'm just going to go ahead and start with Square. So look at that. A beast here came up to a high of 289. Just within the last couple of months, down to 65, guys. I actually started buying at around $70, but this is an opportunity to create 3 to 4x on your money, all right? So you definitely have to watch out for these opportunities. If you guys aren't big risk takers, you guys can stick to behemoths like Amazon and Apple, which, look at this, was trading at $3,700 just 5 months ago, guys. All right, $3,500 about 5-6 months ago. Check this out. 2,100, almost cut in half. All right, so remember, when a stock falls 50%, you get it at that 50% mark. If it recovers back to the same position where it was at originally, where it was trading at its highs, you double your money. All right, guys. So imagine if a position falls more than 50%, you're instantly getting over 100% rate of return if it returns to the same spot where it was at before the sell-off. All right, guys. So here are some other names. If you guys want to mitigate your risk even more, you can stick to ETFs. All right. So look at these funds right here, $243, guys. So this is the main ETF of all small cap stocks. So trading at 243 about 7 or 8 months ago, down to a low of 168, guys. All right. So these are over 25% down from the highs. Another main ones that I like to show people is the technology sector. So the Qs, guys, this is the one that tracks all the technology stocks. 407, guys. As recently trading at 284.94. It's more than a 30% decline from the highs, guys. All right. So, like I said, you're going to have opportunities. And the opportunities are coming up soon. Not even the best fund managers out there. I can't even do it. Not even the own companies know when the stock is about to reverse. So what you have to do is utilize my stair-step method. All right. So like I said, if you have cash out there, which is basically using 10% of your cash to buy into positions every time we have a major drawback or pullback in the market, like yesterday. Yesterday, guys, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500 were all down over 2.5%, guys. Remember, when the market's down about 1%, you're like, oh, man, market had a bad day. When it's down 2%, you're like, dang, what happened in the market, guys? When it's down 3 or plus percent, you're like, dang, this is fearful territory right here, guys. All right, so this is the S&P 500 here. So recently trading at the high of 478.49. all the way down to 385, guys. That's a 20% drawback or pullback. So essentially you'll be able to get a 30 to 35% rate of return if you're able to get this at the lows. And remember, guys, dollar cost averaging, that's exactly what you want to do in these positions. So the way dollar cost averaging works is basically, let's say you have an average price of $100 and right now the stock is trading at $70. So you need to wait $30 for it to get back to where your original cost was. However, if you do dollar cost averaging, let's say you buy it right now, you have an approximate average of $85. So now the stock only needs to get back up to $85. So only move up $15 for you to break even. All right. So that's exactly how it works. Stay tuned, guys. Get your money ready. So the next sector I'm watching very closely is the housing market, because that's going to be breaking down pretty soon. So my wife and I are ready to attack on any opportunities that come up. All right. Here's another beast right here. Apple, recently trading at 182. Came down to a low of 137. All right. And that's today. All right. So like I said, utilize your cash very effectively, guys, but definitely put it to work right now, because like I said, you don't want to miss the opportunity to buy these excellent companies at very cheap prices. All right. Stay tuned in my video. Remember, guys, we're in a recession right now. Even though nobody indicates it, they're saying we're going into one. We're technically in one right now, because I knew all these companies weren't going to be able to uphold all these earning estimates that they have. And now it's showing that monster that's out there right now. Inflation is eating away at everyone's money, and even big companies are feeling it, guys. All right. So definitely prepare your cash, have it ready, and invest utilizing my stair-step method. All right, guys. I'll catch you on the next video.